Hi again everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a recipe for you that I make frequently when I've got pretty much no time at all. I do cook for myself every day and I love pasta. I've said it before. So this is a gluten-free version. You don't have to make it gluten-free. I'm using store-bought pasta sauce, any sauce you like. And again, I'm using kale in this video, and you can change it if you don't like kale, or change it for whatever vegetable you have available at the moment. So pasta with tomato sauce and some nuts and seeds, but also some extra greens. So this is what our beautiful pasta is going to look like when it's done. You just need to chop some onion and some garlic and some kale, fry it all off in some oil, add some nuts and seeds if you like, whatever you want, turmeric, paprika powder, salt, and whatever pasta you like. I'm using gluten-free, store-bought tomato sauce. I couldn't get any organic one, so I'm just using this normal one here. Also chili flakes. If you don't want it, don't use it. Add the pasta with the tomato sauce and put your greens on top and enjoy. So this was my very quick little pasta recipe. I hope you liked it just as much as I do. And I will see you again very shortly, guys. Bye bye.